What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick review of Lindy AI and what it's best used for. Lindy AI is an AI assistant designed to help automate everyday work tasks, especially around emails, scheduling, and admin work. Think of it like a smart executive assistant that can take actions for you, not just answer questions. One of Lindy's biggest strengths is automation. You can set it up to monitor your inbox, draft replies, schedule meetings, follow up with people, and even take actions based on specific triggers. This makes it really useful for founders, managers, recruiters, and anyone buried in emails. Lindy also connects with tools like email, calendars, and other workplace apps, which allows it to handle real workflows instead of just generating tasks. Once it's set up, it can save a lot of time on repetitive tasks. That said, Lindy does take a bit of setup to get the most value out of it. It's not as plug and play as a simple chatbot, and it's not meant for creative writing, coding, or deep research. Overall, Lindy AI is a strong tool if your goal is automation and productivity, especially around communication and scheduling. If you want an AI assistant that actually does things for you instead of just suggesting them, Lindy is definitely worth checking out. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.